Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Taotronics active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. So obviously they're based off of Bluetooth technology. So here we go. This is a understated Taotronics logo. Okay, so this bag is a nice, super soft kind of material. It's pretty big. Let's see, what do we have in here? Taotronics, all simple. So you can activate your extended warranty. USB Type-C, and that is one of the things that I noticed about this device. It has USB Type-C, which is great. You have your connector and then the elbow one, which is great, so it doesn't snag on anything or anything like that. Obviously this is aux, so you can use it when your battery dies and your Bluetooth is out. You should just be able to connect these directly to an aux port. Okay, and these are the headphones themselves. Taotronics, simple. Oh, okay. Left and right, so you know exactly where they're going on your head. Other side. They swivel. Other side swivels as well. Padding on top, which is great. Extending. Okay. We have that. As far, so it could fit fairly sized good head, so that's great. We're looking at volume up and down, on and off, light indicator, and USB Type-C, of course, auxiliary on the other side. It looks like a mode button switch, and yeah, so not bad. Little silica packet, of course, and yeah, just some schematics for it. Now, from the website, these are rated for standby up to 300 hours, which is amazing. They do have the latest Bluetooth version 5.0, and they take about 45 minutes to charge completely, so that's not bad at all. They have a playtime of 40 hours, which again is great, and the battery capacity, you're looking at a 750 milliamp hour. So yeah, you can pop these in, fold them, then you can throw them in your pouch, and they're good to go. You know, they're snug, maybe in between some luggage, things like that. So yeah, this has been the active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones from Taotronics. Thank you.